Hey guys, Jeff Smith here with Northark HVAC program, inviting you to come and join us this fall where you can begin your career in heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration industry. You will learn to install, service, and maintain HVACR equipment just like this. And this. And these guys. And this little guy. And this. And these. Not these, that's for another program. And these. And this guy. And these. You can also earn your EPA, ICE, and NATE certifications, and along with 2 college certificates. Classes begin August 17th, and I hope to see you there.